Hello everyone, my name is Ritesh and our today's topic for presentation is hand gesture recognition based on digital image processing using MATLAB. So my group members are Sumit Kalbande, me, Nikhil Marathe and Anantrao Gowli. So these are the contents which I am going to explain in today's presentation. So we will move towards our introduction. So in this research paper, their idea was to develop an interaction between human and computer using the hand gestures. The inputs are basically taken through web camera, but in our simulation we have done it through uploaded images. These gestures are recognized by algorithm which pre-processes the image and detects the scene. Then we have done this literature review which was given in the research paper. Then we will move towards our need for study. So firstly, it allows a non-touch interaction between human and computer. These are useful for who can't hear or speak. It provides an human computer interaction. Next we will see the design. So the design goes like this. Firstly, with the pixel count algorithm, the image is inserted will be in RGB format. Then the image is converted to binary image. Then with the morphological operation, the image is eroded and by scanning method the binary image is pre-processed. Next we will move towards our applications. So the wide range of application of hand gestures are they are used as a sign language, can be used to control the robot. They are also seen in home automation and many such applications. And next we will see our simulation. This is the simulation screenshot we have included. Next I will include the simulation video. Hello, so this is the code we have simulated. Firstly, it was not possible for us to run the whole code. There were various new functions that we have encountered that we don't know, but with the help of MATLAB head command, we searched for that functions and got some information about that. So the code goes like this. Firstly, we have written some lines which are used to clear the workspace and the command window. Then with the help of UI get file command, we displayed an prompt which requested the user to input an image that needs to be get cropped. Then the image path that inputted by the user, we stored it in a variable file name. Then with the help of imread command, we read that image. So our next step was to plot that original image at some position. So with the help of subplot, we divided the figure in 2 rows and 2 columns. So then with the help of imshow command, we displayed that inputted image at the position 1. So hereafter we were not able to interpret the commands, we learned various new functions like RGB2 YCBR, like this converts that RGB values to the YCBCR color space. Then we learned we search for IM erode function which erodes the image. Then IM dilute which dilutes the image inputted by the user. So after running the code, the output we got is like this. The output was like this. So the overall concept behind this simulation was to get the output as only the fingers. So what they have done in this code is they firstly took an original image and deleted the finger part as it was easy to delete it. Then the result was only the palm. So the final image which they got is they have subtracted the original image with that palm image to get the final output. So this was the logic behind this code. So thank you. So this was all.